Do I look like Beyonce from the Super Bowl commercials? Even though hers were under here and mine's is up here. Because I'm getting ready to get into this eye tutorial. Using this Yes Please palette from Colourpop. I swear this name always confuses me because it says cute as F. And then it has Colourpop me as a hashtag inside. And then Yes Please on the back. Like, it's like they couldn't make up their mind, so they decided to put all three names on here. And just say, well, yeah, let's just call it Yes Please. The main colors I am going to be using are... I don't even know if I'm saying it right because I get confused because the names are on the back, but then we go this way. Like, I'll point to them to make it easier. You can debate what names they are. But let me get my little pointer. This one. Right here. Right here. Right here. Let's leave three. I might throw this one in just for the fun of it. Use this little quad right here. Look at that. You see? That just might work. I might use that little quad. We'll see. We shall see. The first thing I'm gonna do is get my Eco Tools double-ended brush with the blend side, and I'm gonna dip into this one right here for my transition. I don't know. I've yet to try any other colors. Oh no, it's doing that again. I gotta switch to voiceover. Right now I am going in on both of my lids with the color G and O from the Yes Please eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to be going in and out with my voiceover, so you can more so just watch, and so I don't talk or just be on here silent and weird. But yep, that's what I'm doing right now. Now I am going into the same palette with the color Spoiled. But before I actually put it on my lids, I'm going to use a brush cleaner that I purchased from BH Cosmetics. Every beginner needs this because it is just essential. It helps so when you dip into different colors to wipe them off in between, which is necessary because you don't want your colors blending in a bad way. You want them to look nice. But there I am putting it on my itty bitty eyelids, only to go over it with another color and some other products as though I know what I was doing. But I swear the look came out nice, so keep on watching. That is LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and a brush from a set that I purchased at BH Cosmetics. I also believe the next color that I'm going to dip into from the same palette is the color Chauffeur. What I'm actually doing right here is putting the LA Girls Pro Concealer on my eyelid, so the color that I said Chauffeur, when I put it on, it will actually pop a little bit. It was a trick that I attempted to learn and I'm still working on from the YouTuber Judy C. I believe that's what her name is. She is so talented, and just she always makes me want to get everything from Colourpop. I kind of did okay with it. I mean, what you think? Yep, like I said, you'll see the results in the end, so don't judge me too quick. I don't know how long I'll keep on saying I'm new at this, but I'll forever be new at this. Finally getting into the color Chauffeur, but when I put it on, as time goes on, I realize I'm using the wrong type of brush, and I do eventually switch. That's why I said I'm so new at this. I really am. Now I'm going back over my eyelids, or above my eyelids, what I'll say is my crease, with the color Spoiled and GNO to make it pop a little bit more, because I feel like it faded as I was putting on my other colors. So I was like, let me try to make that a little bit stronger. But see, it don't look too bad on my actual lid. I did alright. I did alright. At least I think so. Now I am going in with the outer section of my eye with the color French Kiss to really define it. I am also going literally in my crease with the color French Kiss. I don't know, I just wanted to be different with this step. Try something new, even though I don't know what I'm doing. Or maybe I do. I really would like your feedback from this, because when you just starting in makeup and you don't even leave the house and you just be practicing and practicing, be like, do I look messed up or not? I don't know. That's why I'm filming everything, so I can see my progress, you can see my progress, and you can know that if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Now what I am attempting to do, which takes full concentration, is to do a wing liner. Like, I have so much respect for all the females who can do a wing liner free-handedly without the tape and just like making it look so easy, because it is not easy. Like, again, especially when you're beginning, you're just like, the struggle is real. But what I'm using is the CoverGirl Liquid Liner 335. And I had to try so many different types of liners and pencils and everything to see what worked for me, and I cannot wait to get the Fenty felt tip one to see if that works. But this is what I had to use. Again, trial and error. It's what works for me. And it's actually a darker brown versus black. I have it in both, but I really love the dark brown color. Look at me. Look at the struggle. Look at it. If that tape wasn't on there, I'd be messed up, I swear. That's also why I like to put on my foundation afterwards, because it can kind of cover up everything if I mess up, any fallout or anything. I don't know how people do that. They are really brave just putting that on. They really are. But I think after this, I go off camera and do everything, because it took me so long to do any and everything on here. And then I just cover everything up with lashes and make it work. Okay, I am back. This eye done to match this eye. I don't know if you can see it, but I once again did the inner corner of my eye with this color right here. You know, just a little something. I did do my highlight with the Fenty Rum. I still once again used all Fenty products basically. Did under my eye and set my face with Dermablend setting powder. And like I said, I use the Fenty products. The blotting one, to set. For my lips, I use Colourpop Lippy Pencil and BFF3. Oh, you can't see this, so I don't even know why, but I use BFF3. And then I use the Shayla Colourpop lipstick, and ooh, looks like this. I couldn't find her shimmer gloss that I just literally had. I just had it. So I instead went with, where did I put this? Went with Burt's Bees, sorry. Solar Eclipse 206. It's like so old, everything. Get the shine on my lips. So old, everything is like off now. That's it. To prime my eyes, this time I didn't use the Urban Decay. I used Too Faced Shadow Insurance this time to prime my eyes. Lashes, still the same. Marquee. Love these lashes. What else? Still did my natural lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous and Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot. Still did that all the same. And I still set it with Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. For blush, I do blush. You probably can't see. I don't know if you can. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I use this again, and I use the colors orange and like the little shimmery one. Mix them together. And this is my look. I don't know, for some reason I have on like this burger shirt. Let me show you. Let me zoom out. I'm not zooming out. No, I'm not zooming out. I have on like this burger shirt with French fries and stuff. So the eyes match that, but they also, for whatever reason, make me think of The Lion King with the Hakuna Matata or something. I don't know. What do you think? And I was thinking it was going down south, but when I was putting it on, then I kind of worked it out. I didn't do too much, different than the last time, but I worked it out. Wait, no, last time I didn't really do anything but one shadow. As you see more videos somewhere in here, you'll see. Yeah, didn't do too much. You like it? You love it? Will you try it? Comment below, like, subscribe, talk to me, follow me, even though I don't really do too much on social media, but yeah, let's keep in contact. Bye bye.